Yo, hello everybody. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. All right, let's get it, man. Let's get it. Today we are back to live trade. So yeah, everything is getting back to normal, man. So let's get it. Hope you guys are good anyway. All right, guys. Let me share the link to our channel so that they can join us as well. All right. Oh yeah. So share it here. Share it here as well. And share it here too. All right. So I just shared it to our channels and so we can be back trading. All right, guys. Yo, thank you very much everybody for joining. Keep on joining before we continue, right? So this is live forex trading by Israel the Trader, or ITT. Come on everybody, let's get it, man. So yeah, what you are seeing on screen right now, it is CHF. So I share the free signal to you guys in our free Telegram channel, and also I share the stop loss, take profit, everything there. Now it's moving in profit, and let's wait for it to be finally in profit and hit our final target, right? So this is just the CHF, and also we took a couple of trades. I and my students, we took a couple of trades, right? Remember, this is for our time frame. I trade for our time frame, daily time frame, and 1 hour time frame, right? This is for our time frame right now, and here this is 1 hour time frame. So the trade is still moving nicely in profit, man. So let's just wait for it to completely be in profit. I mean, to complete our target rather, and from there, we'll know what exactly to do next, right? Yeah, all right. So if today's your first time here, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel so that you can show us that love and say, oh Israel, we support your channel, right? You just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and family. That's just it, man. So yeah, as I was saying, this is HMJ boy, and I share the signal with you guys, right? And let me just show you one of our trade copier account, but let's see. So that's just it. This is a CHFJPY, and like I said earlier on, I share the signal with you guys. So now this is Euro JPY. Euro JPY as well is still moving nicely in profit. Yeah, it's nicely in profit. Our first take profit was triggered. Now still moving in profit, and I'm still holding some of my position on this, right? And Euro USD as well. Euro USD as well, moving in profit too, but it's still pushing up to the upside, waiting for it to go and hit our final target as well. And we took USD card. USD card as well is still pushing down, so let's just wait for it to come down and hit our final target, right? And also we took I think, yeah, we took, which one is that? I think there is another trade that we are in, but let me check it out anyway. Euro USD card, and CHF JPY, Euro JPY. I think, yeah, those are the 4 trades that we are in at the moment. And also we are still looking out for more more trade to get in. So after we got a lot of setup, we'll just get into the trade and trade it to where we are expecting the market to go, right? Because that's how it is, man. It is very, very good. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining. Keep on joining. So yeah, This is live trade, man. This is live trade. So we got to trade today live and direct with you guys and see exactly how we do things, right? So now this is just a USD card, man. And also what I'm waiting for, this is where we got in all this. And one thing about me is that I do tell my students when exactly I'm getting into the market. I do tell them. Apart from that, let me show you one trade copier account that we just opened. You see, this is one of our trade copier accounts. So this one is just meant for my student, which is VIP or ITT premium students, right? It's not available for free students yet, but let's see if I will be able to make one for free students or whatsoever. But as of now, is only available for our premium and VIP students. So as you guys can see that I was negative on this. I know you're sick and tired of looking for strategies, and more strategies. So I was negative. Sorry guys, let me check something. Okay. So as you guys can see that this is where I started this account. It was kind of negative something, negative 1.48, things like that. And I went down for about negative 18.92 on this, 92%, 18.92% on this particular account, man. So this was last week. Last week I took a couple of losses, right? I think it was a USD card, USD, something like that. I took a couple of losses, but I made no complaint, right? I made no complaint to nobody. I complain to nobody. I just, look after myself and say, okay, so today the market makers has played their role. Next week, it's not going to happen like that. That's what I just said, right? So you guys can see this, that just it. And right now, how many percent am I on this account at the moment? You see, I'm up again 22.16% on this my account. I remember this is trade copy account, right? So whatever that I'm making on this particular account, my students too, they'll be making it. If I'm up 2% on this account, they will be up 2% on their account as well. If I'm up 100% on this account, they will be up 100% on their account as well. So everything is automatically integrated with their account. So far they connect their live forex trading account here. I don't allow demo here, man. As you can see, this is live and direct. So we don't trade demo. So and apart from that, then now I'm up 22.17% on this account, and my deposit, I think it was $1,000. Yeah, it was 1,000. So this is the starting balance, which is 1,000. Now current balance $1,111. Then equity, this is $1,201. So that's why you are seeing 22% in up on the account, right? You see, all of these are my positions and trade that I took. So yeah, and that just see, guys, you lose some trade, you win some, you lose some, you win some, you lose some, you win. So that's how it is. So once you are able to know exactly what you are doing, no need for you to be blowing your account, blown after blown after blown. Nah, that's not gonna happen. So let me show you the remaining trade that I'm in at the moment, so that you can just understand what I'm talking about, right? So now this is where I got in right here for this. This is Euro USD, and you can see that I'm still in profit of $99 here, and here again it is about $102. So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. And I'm still in Euro JPY. Okay, let me just show it to you so that you can understand it, because now you find it difficult to see, right? So you see here, I'm still in Euro JPY, CHF JPY, Euro USD, and USD card. Those are the trades that I'm in at the moment. So you can understand exactly, I'm still holding my positions on this, right? It is very, very important for you to know, guys. So these are the 4 positions that I'm in at the moment. But I got no stop loss and take profit for all this Euro USD, CHF JPY, and etc. But my students, I've sent them stop loss and take profit. If I go to maybe our premium channel, you gotta see what I'm talking about. So this is my premium channel right now, and if you check right here, CHF, Japan, all of these things, I do give them stop loss take profit. This is one of them. This is Euro JPY signal, and I give them stop loss take profit. This is CHF JPY signal, I give them stop loss take profit. This is the analysis for CHF JPY for our time frame before we got into the trade. And if you just confirm it and check your CHF JPY right now, you gotta see that CHF JPY is making a perfect move in our direction, right? Let me show it to you. So CHF JPY. So this is CHF JPY right now. You see that CHF JPY is still in profit, and also USD card is still in profit as well. So that's how we do it, guys. So anything that I'm kind of showing to you guys, I literally do it on my account as well. I do it, not that I don't do it, I do it on my account. So USD card, this was USD card signal, and as you guys can see, I got in around price 1.26983. So I do tell them stop loss, take profit, and everything, guys, everything. So, and if you check USD card now, where USD card is, this is USD card is still moving nicely in profit. This is my final take profit, and my final swing trade position, take profit, it is around here for about 438 pips, around here for 438 pips. So that's where my final take profit is for this USD card, right? You see it right here for around the okay, all right. So for around 438 pips, that's where my final take profit is on USD card. But right now, the final take profit I shared with them is 220 pips. So after this level get broken, let me show you something. After this level get broken, this zone right here, after it get broken, definitely the next target is gonna be this point. You see this my line here is gonna be this point. So I'm waiting for USD card now to break out of this and continue to push back down to the downside. But most importantly, at the moment, we have to see a break out of this. We have to see a break out of this structure where the market is at the moment before we can now say, okay, USD card is ready to come down to this point, right? So I'm just waiting for this USD card to break out of this zone first before it will now come down to this zone where is my final take profit. And if this final take profit eventually get broken, this will be my final target on USD card at the moment. But as of now, we are up with about 90 pips on USD card at the moment. We are 90 pips on USD card right now. So let's see how far this USD card can go, right? And if I show you something, that's the USD card here, and should be showing you 60 something and things like that. But let's see. You see this is USD card, man. This is USD card, and I got my TP. Okay, I think this one needs to be loaded again because it's not giving me what I want. All right, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying it, give this video a thumbs up. Also, share with your friends and family. That's how you can just tell me, hey Israel, we like what you're doing right here so far. So guys, share the video, like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And also, if there's any specific pet that you want me to analyze right now for you, you can just send it and say, hey Israel, please can you just analyze this particular pair for me or for us, right? So that I can just analyze it for you. So let's get it. So you guys can see this is USD card trade, and we are still in profit. You see that? We are seeing profit of around 87 pips here, which is equally getting to 90 pips, right? So now I closed some position. That's why you are seeing all of this. I closed some position. So this was where I lost some trade last week, right? This was where I lost it last week, and now made it back and up again with about 20 something pips. 20 something percent on this particular account. And if I show you how many pips I took on this very account, you gotta see it right now. So let me show you how many pips we took on this account. And as you can see, we are up 214 pips on this very account. And this account I just opened it 13 days ago, 13 days 24 minutes and 5 seconds. So we are up 214 pips on this very account. So once you are able to know what you are doing in the market, data don't lie, guys. Numbers don't lie. You know what I mean? So right now, I can't edit this. You see that is it's not a screenshot or whatsoever. Like some people will say, oh, it's a lie, it's screenshot, it's this, it's that. No real, come on, man. I just refresh this from you. And also, if I hover around all of this, You see that the numbers is showing, like I said, I was down 18 point something percent on this account, right? And now back up again with 214 pips on this. And we are up 21% on this account in about 13 days, getting about 2 weeks, something like that, right? So it is what it is. And if you are able to make maybe 20% of your account every month or 50%, come on, man. You are very, very profitable, bro. Come on. You guys can see return on investment here is about 50.05%. This was when I lost some trade last week and I was down 18.92. And this is for the month of March so far. No losing trade. You see, zero losing trade, 20 winning trade, man. 100% winning here, bro. Come on, stop playing with us. This is for the month of March, though this is just 3 days in March, so we are up on the account. So it is what it is. With very good risk management, you'll be able to be up and things like that on your account as well. So trade very, very good and with very good risk management, guys. All right, enough of that. Let's go back and see which trade are we looking for the day, or yeah, for the day, man, not for any other thing, for the day. All right, guys. So yeah, this is USD CHF, and I'm not interested in trading USD CHF. USD NZD JPY is still moving in profit as well. NZD CHF, man, nah, we are late on that. So yeah. All right, I think this, yeah, this is getting interesting, man. Come on, bro. We gotta get in right here. Let me calculate, take profit, stop loss, and things like that for this. You see, trend line breakout, retest, boom. Now it's gonna go back up to the upside. I have my trading confluences right now, but I will not tell you everything. So the first one that I'm going to be telling you is you can use Fibonacci retracement to understand it. So Fibonacci retracement, trying to reject 50% on this, right? But it not reach 50%. So the setup, you have to wait again for some time, because you not reach that 50%. And also you see this form of doji. I don't know if you are able to see that. So this is doji right here, which is indecisive candle in the market, right? So now let's wait and see. Let me just see it on the smaller time frame, so that, let me reset the chart so that it will not be as if it is a waste time. Okay, all right, let's wait for some minutes, because right now it's still consolidating on the 5-minute time frame. So we gotta wait for this to break and things like that. So let's see what is gonna happen on this smaller time frame, guys. All right. 1 hour time frame, still pushing. All right, let's see what will happen. All right, guys, like I said earlier, I'll give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's how you can just say, hey Israel, I like what we're doing, man. Because without you giving a thumbs up, it's not gonna tell me something or signal me, hey Israel, your audience kind of like what you're doing right here on YouTube and things like that. So if you like it, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family as well. So now, guys, I'm waiting for this. You see what happened? Trend line breakout. So there was a time that we took a buy on this NZD card last week. I think it was last 2 weeks or something like that. Yeah, last 2 weeks ago, we took a buy on this, and now went up for about 180 pips. So now just keep that aside. Now it came down for retracement, and also now I'm seeing some sort of signal confluences on this, and I gotta go back up again for a buy. So now I'm getting ready to get in for my buy on this. So let me just put this. And remember, this is 1 hour time frame, so I gotta change the colors to be something like that, and something like that as well. So because this is 1 hour time frame, guys, and also now it's still pushing, right? So let's see, trend line breakout, retest, boom. Now I got to set my long position right here around this area. Then the final take profit is gonna be right on this for about 120 pips. So 120 pips is kind of decent, guys, and we'll be risking around 50 pips on this. Yeah, risking 50 pips. So this is around 1 to 2.1 risk reward ratio. 1 to 2.1 risk reward ratio. Risking 50 pips, 1 to 1 to 2.1 risk reward ratio. That's the trade that we're about to get in right now. So now let's just wait for some minutes in order for us to have another signal confirmations. And I'm not going to be telling you everything that we are having right here because this is not a premium chart and things like that. So I'll not tell you everything or tell you the whole signal confluences that I'm seeing right now on this particular trade, right? And of course, you can still tell me your opinion on this. If you see another thing different from mine, you just tell me in the live chat section. I will be able to see your chat so I can check it out, right? So now you just tell me what you're seeing on this so far. But me, I'm about to go long on this. I'm about to go long on this. So that's just it, and that's just me. Let's maybe wait for this 1 hour time frame candle to close before we get in for a long on this um, NZD card, right? So this is NZD card all the way, guys. I'm still waiting for some confirmation before I get in on this NZD card trade, right? But you too, you can just maybe take your laptop, take your PC, desktop, or whatsoever, or take your phone and start to analyze this particular trade as well, so that you can just confirm what exactly I'm saying and trade it with me, right? Don't just trade blindly, guys, because that's not going to help you if you trade blindly without you knowing what exactly is going on in the market, right? So you just do it, guys. You just do it. So now, Israel the trader speaking. Let's get it. Let's get it. Um, so I'm still waiting for some confirmations, guys, on this. As you guys can see, it's trying to come back down again. Let me mark out some structures on this 5 minute time frame. So I got to come back down to this level and mark this out. So now I will just lock that as well. So let's see if NZDK will come down to this point. If it eventually come down to this point, I might look out for buy opportunity right here on this account. And remember, like I said, you see this my account. It is the account balance now is $1,100, right? So now I'll just risk 1 to 3% of my account size on that particular trade that you are seeing, which is NZD card that you are about to take, right? So now this is live and direct live forex trading with you guys. So you see I'm still in profit of $87 here. So now I'm just trying to show you guys how you can perform a very good risk management without you blowing your account whenever time you are trying to trade in the forex market, right? So now I showed you my account balance and everything like that. Then you will see me taking this trade, which is NZD card. Let me add it right here to ITT pairs, right? Then I will now look out for NZD card. NZD card. So boom, I added NZD card. This is NZD card chart now. So you will see me taking this trade live and direct. So with 50 pips take stop loss, then basically if I take around 0.1 lot size, I'll be losing about $50, and $50 is about 5% of my account size now. Of course, I'll not get in with 5%. I'll not risk 5% of my account. The maximum I will risk is 3% of my account. So which basically means that I'll risk 2.5% on this trade, meaning that I will use 0.05 lot size on NZD card, right? So this is NZD card 1 hour time frame right now, and also I will do the analysis right here again so that you guys can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So now this is it, and let me just maybe minimize this that way. All right, let's just leave it. So now let me go down to 5 minute time frame here, or let me put my support and resistance as well so that I can have everything set up on this NZD card 1 hour time frame as well. So this is it, and I will change the color to be same as the previous one, and I will change this. All right, let me just leave it like that. Also, I got to change the color of this as well. Boom, to that. And the next thing that I'm about to do is, let me just zoom in, and what else? My trend line. I gotta put my trend line. Um, gotta put my trend line, which is gonna be from here. Oops. Which is gonna be from here What's that, man? What am I doing? This is gonna go from there down to this point, right? So this is where my trend line is going to be. So guys, you have to understand exactly what I mean by trend line, all these stuffs, and you have to know how to put them in order for you to put it accurately, so that whenever time you are trying to trade it, or whenever time you see a breakout, it will not be you doing the wrong thing and thinking that okay, the market doesn't do what you want and things like that, right? So now we are about to go long on this, man. We are about to go long, so let's wait for 1 hour candle to close. After it closes and see some sort of signals, again price action signal to push to the upside, then we'll get in on NZD card. So I'll come back and check on NZD card later on, maybe after the 1 hour candle is closed, or if I see some sort of impulsive move that is about to move to the upside, then I'll see come back in again and look out for buying opportunities. So right now this is NZD card analysis, and I will be waiting for it to to continue to move to the upside after we get in. So let's go and check out for another trade opportunity right here in the market. Right, so now let's look out for some pairs as well. That was NZD card anyway. If you have any question, guys, just let me know right down in the live chat section. I will be able to see your questions as well. Just let me know. Just let me know. I'm right here reading your comments right now. So yeah, if you got any question, guys, say hey Israel, please. I don't understand what exactly you mean by this, by that, so that I can just clarify where exactly you didn't understand, right? So let's look out for another trade opportunity. Oh, this is CAD JPY and it's still pushing to the upside, but I'm not interested in that for now. All right, CHF JPY trying to come back down to the downside now, trying to go back up again. Let's see what exactly is going to happen on all of this. Euro JPY still pushing to the upside. Let's get it. Let's get it. You know what I mean? So still pushing to the upside, and Euro USD, boom, pushing to the upside as well. But let's see if we have a breakout of this structure before we will determine where this Euro USD will go next. And what about USD card? Come on, USD card is still pushing as well, but let's see if we eventually have a breakout of this in order for it to continue to push back to the downside. Okay, I think I'm planning to get in for a long setup now on on NZD card with 0.05 lot size. So you guys can see I'm about to execute trade on NZD card right now, 0.05, and I'm planning to go long. Boom, there we go. We are going long on NZD card, man. Going long on it, and let's set the stop loss, take profit, and things like that. Or let's execute the trade first. Yeah, let's execute the trade first, then we'll come back again and set up our stop loss and take profit, right? So now 0.05 lot size on NZD card. I don't want to be showing you like my big account size or server. So now I'm just trading on this $1,000. I got no money. So if you want to borrow me money because I'm broke, man. I'm broke. So now boom, 0.05 lot size on NZD card, and now let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Hope you guys are long now on NZD card. So I gotta add it here as well. So I'm adding it on my phone so that I can monitor it on my phone as well, because it is very, very important. Boom, we are long on it now. You guys can see my lot size over there. We are long on NZD card. I'm long on NZD card, guys, and let me set stop loss, take profit, and things like that, so that you can just see what's my target on it, right? You see, I'm long on it with this lot size 0.05, and now boom, it's still pushing, right? Let's see what exactly is going to happen on NZD card in the coming days or weeks it depends on when exactly the market finally go up and hit my final take profit. So my target on this is about 120 pips. So NZD card 120 pips, 120 pips, guys. Let me show it to you. All right, this is NZD card right now, and I said that I got in already, and you know I say my final take profit 120 pips. So our stop loss is about 50 pips and making 120 pips. That is around 1.21 1 to 2.1 risk reward ratio, right? According to what we said earlier on. So I'm still on this, and now you can see that it's pushing up to the upside, and now we are still in kind of negative, which is going to be -1 pips on the setup, and never mind, it will be in profit soon. So -1 pips on this. Let's get it. Let's get it. So now let me just give you stop loss, take profit, and things like that before we continue, guys. And also, if today is the first time right here, what are you waiting for, guys? Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. If you got any question, you can just let me know. Hey, Israel, please, I don't understand exactly what you mean by this and what you mean by that. I will, explain everything to you. So right now, guys, it is a time to make money. So now, I'm still in this trade, riding it to my father take profit. Okay, guys, let me send it to our channel. Those that they are not live and direct with us right now, let them know that we are long on NZD card, right? So this is it now, ITT live forex trading. So we are long on NZD card. This is it. I'm on it now with 0.05 lot size. So this is the position that I'm in at the moment, and you see that I'm down with 0.61 or $62 on this account, right? And that's about one stop loss. I mean 1 pips. So now this is the setup, and my final take profit is around 120 pips on this. So we are live at direct on YouTube right now. So you gotta join us so that you can partake in this trade as well. You see live chat, people are making comments and things like that. So you gotta join right now, guys, and let's eat together. All right, man. All right, all right. So I'll try to make video for Instagram and send to our channel. I mean, yeah, to our free Telegram channel as well. All right, guys. So I will set stop loss and take profit on this very account. So sorry, give me some minutes. Let me send all of this stuff, and so that they can join us, and join us. That just it, man. So we are still on it, live and direct. So you tell me which pair you are looking at, guys, so that I can check it out for you. But first of all, let me send this to our students. Okay. All right. Setting up something, guys, so that they can partake in this, and everybody got to make money, man. We have to make money, and if you already made your money, I got no money. So I'm still hustling, guys. I'm still hustling. So let's get these things done, and together we can change the world. Together we can change the world, guys. So that's just it, man. I'm sending it to them. Boom. Sent to them, and Don't be scared, guys. I think the NZD card is trying to come back down small for retracement, but just wait for it. I'm so in. I'm so in. No, nothing like being scared or whatsoever, guys. I'm down with around 3 pips now. All right, 3 pips now, 2 pips now. So let's just keep things positive. You know what I mean? So come on. I don't know what's wrong with my network. It's kind of slow. Let's see. Okay, just wait for it. All right. So yeah, let me calculate stop loss, take profit, and things like that, and send it to you because it is very, very important, right? I think some of you guys will not be able to do it and things like that. So let me do it and send it to you guys. Wow, my connection is kind of bad, man. I don't exactly get what's happening. Um, what's going on, man? Let's get it. What's going on? All right, all right, all right. I think it's back now, but